Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how you can use our handsaw designed in Greenstrawberry. There is a rest of it. I prepared a batch of materials. We have resin parts here. We have blue resin. We have even this is a master resin piece. This means that it's quite harder than the other. Then we have blue resin. I just got equipped really enough, I would say, from the team to try. So you're gonna see today what everything we can use this handsaw for. Um, so I think it's too much really. So I'm gonna use, for example, I start with the plastic piece, and here are the saws. Okay, I'm gonna let you see that. So here is the detail of the hands. Okay, guys, my you should definitely wear something like a mask or something. Just absorb the dust from the resin. Anyway, thank you for watching. My hands are a little bit harming from just still the same moving, and I think I just showed you what is the best for me to use is these triangles. These one, two, and three triangles are my best. My best. I really like them to work, but this is a little bit harder than the gray resin. The gray resin is softer. Gray resin is much easier to use with these saws, as well as easier is quite this is was kind of plastic, and what we did yet it was, yeah, and the last piece was right here, and this was the this was easy. This was a little bit harder, but the most difficult to remove was the basement from this part. This was really, really tough. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I just hope that I showed you everything what I could. I cleaned the mess here, and I had to vacuum clean the dust. Be careful not to breathe the dust. It's toxic, and um, I hope I'm gonna see you next time with other video. Maybe I tried something else. So thank you for watching and have a good day. Ciao.